So people, this feels like an egg, like a scrambled egg, not butter slime.
You have to mix it in better.
And yes, mine will poke. What about yours? Will yours poke? Okay, here. I'm gonna use this one, okay? Wait.
No, John, you already used the green one.
No, I'm just gonna use it for culture. Acting like you never seen culture. 5 hours later. Got it.
Okay, I'm just going to mix this in better because
Oh, dang it. Only if we had more white.
we have more white glue.
No, this. I'm trying to make sculpture.
I'm gonna mix the rest. Oh, yes, it's mixing in better. Since I added a bunch of clay, mine isn't going to be ready in a long time. Oh, wow, yeah. This does not look like it's going to transform into butterfly at all, so.
This is Canada's Great Army. You see my slime, people? People that are watching. My slime? It's looking better.
Ew, my slime.
Will it stretch?
Kind of.
Kind of.
And guys, this is my slime.
Lily, the slimeologist. What will make this stretchier?
Adding more glue. And some water. If you add water, then
Okay,
it'll
Lily.
get faster.
If you had more. Time for a commercial break. Time to...
Spot right here.
I said blue cup with ice in it. Time to kazoo! Commercial break over.
Wow. Okay, this is butter slime, but it's
That's the end of the video. We will have another video today in like 5 minutes. And the mystery container will be in the next video.
And then it's video.
Bye.